you're presenting in Canva and your internet drops, it's very easy for you to get frustrated and lose everything. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save yourself from such situations. Everything is going to be very easy. I'm going to be showing you how you can make any design or presentation available offline, so you don't have to worry when your internet drops. So let's dive straight into Canva and let's get started. All right, so the first thing we are simply going to do, you can see I have my presentation open, so you should also have yours open. So let's head on to file, and the feature we are going to look out for is make available offline. Okay, so when we click on make available offline, we can see everything is being loaded. So at this point, you need to give Canva some time to load everything, process your entire slides to make it available offline. Right. So we can just see our design is locally saved. So what I'm just going to do is to turn off my internet and see how everything works. Okay. So at the moment we can tell I am offline, nothing is working, but I can still come here and still keep editing. All right. Everything should basically work out for me. All right. Now, from the homepage, how do we access our designs? Just in case you're not finding it over here, all you need to do is to click on offline, and you should see this button that says see my offline design. So once you click on see my offline designs, it would move you to the folder where you can find all the designs you've made available, and that's how to make it happen. I hope this works, and in this video you see over here, I show you how you can upload custom fonts in Canva. So make sure to check it out if this is something you are interested in. The name is Benjamin. Always remember there is no limit to creativity, and I should see you in the next one.
Wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.